seconds.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
The first solar system in the district. Stand up my roof right here.
So the first solar system in our house will fall apart.
Why you have to put it like that?
I have all the bashment house, them will look good.
Yeah, and
then have no solar system, Lambert.
Solar system depend that.
Yeah. So somebody live over there?
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow I'll come to church.
Yeah?
Not tomorrow, it's Friday, on Saturday.
Okay. Yeah, let me.
It has been long.
She want to come to church. Avocado. Go do.
Come to church. We go
Come
to church.
Come this way. To worship.
Ja.
Yeah. So this one on Saturday, Lambert?
Yeah, that's the same.
For me, what takes me to church is the singing part. That's what makes me go there. Singing the hymnal book.
Is that school in there as well?
Yeah,
Then I make a video and send to my parents.
Peas.
They'll be so happy.
Peas tree here. Peas there. Banana.
You know what Kino can drink and feel right? The aloe vera. We boil it for him.
No, I can't eat it, see him here.
You can eat it?
Yeah, just like that.
Yes.
Just need to just eat something first.
Imagine, Kino can eat the aloe vera, but he says he cannot eat the oranges.
No, but the thing is with aloe vera, it's not bitter now, it's just the yellow thing will protect it. That's the thing that's bitter. But the inside, the gel, it's not bitter.
Where you supposed to eat the bitter part?
No.
The bitter part is what you
bitter part, I'd protect the aloe vera enough.
So it protect you?
No man, a part there enough for you. And the inside part.
So bitter?
No, because that part there is for the for protecting the plant and the insect.
Yeah, so if it can protect the plant, obviously it's good to you.
Yeah,
You protect your intestine from get damaged.
Them say you're not supposed to eat that part there.
cannot eat anything bitter.
At the gel inside they must eat.
Hey, you notice when we grew up, they say a lot of things.
Farmers,
and when we grew up now, them I say yes, it's good for you. Pumpkin seed. They used to say you
Pumpkin
can't
seed is
eat.
the best.
And they say pumpkin seed is good for you.
Yeah.
Actually, when you boil them and you eat them as groundnuts, oh, the best. My mom does that as well.
A nice big farm over here, so Lambert.
Yeah, man. The farm industry is really land up when you see the whole field gone.
Yeah.
Farming land.
Oh.
But what happened is that now because
No.
you see because what happened? The house them are built up all over.
Yeah.
You eradicate out the farming completely. Because most people don't want building land, their house on a land like this.
Yeah.
Put in a big land and they have the good land around it. You understand? Without the stones and everything.
What is this them out?
That's carrots right here.
Oh, carrot.
Yeah.
Oh. A whole heap of carrot this, you know. Look at that, the pure carrots.
Yeah.
And they also do good right here with the crops that they put in here.
Can the side look rich?
Something about the side, I think maybe have some aluminum inside of it.
Yeah.
So
this is the owner yard.
the owner is there, but somebody else own the piece right here.
Oh, okay. So close.
Yeah. And then you see fence off like that.
Yeah. Walk and talk with Lambert in the morning with D Moango.
In California.
California. Oh, somebody comment and say in a name California. Where don't you say name? A California name or Caledonia?
California.
Caledonia, they call it Caledonia, they call it California, whatever you see on the sign out there.
Yeah. We really never check the sign, we really have to go check the sign. Yeah.
I live in California.
You call it California?
So it might be Caledonia and it is called California.
Okay. So because you have the look of USA?
Nah, somebody give that name we back and just continue.
Yeah. Everybody are developing, like everybody is doing something. Everyone is doing something.
I shape up for Christmas now.
Yes, nice, man. Road.
These two houses was the first new house built in.
Oh, the first two newly built houses in Mandeville.
It used to be two brothers. They are twin. And they might
look at this. There's so much different. The house over here is wonderful.
Can I imagine these are my neighbors?
Hey, you're rich.
I'm rich.
You're rich.
Why do you look at people with a big house and say they're rich? It's not
no, it's just a talk. You know, because they don't even know how long it takes the people to build a house. Some of these houses take 20 years, 15 years.
Yeah, the good thing about it with Jamaica, you can take your time and build it. If it was America, they start to fine you.
Is it?
Yeah, so they literally ban you to go to the bank and get a loan and finish it. Then the bank own you after. You understand? Yeah.
Because good thing with Jamaica is where you say, yeah, take your time, because trust me.
So start and take your own time and build. You see, look over there. You know, it's a house they're going to put on top of that. Yeah, you see.
You see them clear out.
Yeah, clear out, and then, you know, the road is getting really hard up here.
Yeah.
They don't have the erosion, you know.
Okay. Something big. What year, I explain the same thing. They might see some houses and they might think it just be like within a week or a month or a year. These houses take time.
Take time, man.
15, 20 years.
Yeah.
You know. Whenever they work and save money, they must put something towards. Of course.
Put it together.
So nobody not really rich. They just make ends meet, you know.
Yeah.
I was California.
Yeah, California, all right.
They say welcome to California. So this is how them call it. So I guess I'm gonna make them see this sign.
Yep.
So they can know say it's not Caledonia. It's California.
Yeah.
Morning. The neighbors.
So now you see this is like a direction. This is a direction map. Put it like that. A map to directions, a map direction to a map. So the next little town you have Lincoln. Then you get Fairfield off of Lincoln if you stay to your left. You get Fairfield. One Prospect and then Huntley. So you will have this one, not this one, this one, and this one, all in line.
Okay.
This one branch off.
Because you're in Fairfield Mountain, right?
I'm in Fairfield Mountain. But this way, if you look at it, it's Fairfield. It's a different thing.
Different thing from the mountain.
Different thing on it. That's where they have the funeral home. I'll be sleeping in that funeral, the funeral plot.
Oh, the beautiful funeral home that we passed.
No. The cemetery.
The cemetery.
The cemetery. The funeral plot. So, a lot of grave. You know, it's coming from back in maybe the 60s. 40s, coming up to the 60s and everything. So I plan to go over there and sleep one night. Yeah? Yeah, in the cemetery.
So why you plan to do that, Lambert?
Yeah, I want to show the people that they're nothing named Duppy.
Okay.
Because they exist.
Join you on that.
Alright, so you got a second here.
Yeah, when you're dead, what she said, when you're dead, come. When you're dead, you're dead.
You're dead.
That's it. Aye, good. Yeah, man, be good, man. Aye, cool.
When you die, you just die. There's no Duppy, nothing at all.
Duppy. So that's gonna be my big feature because I'm gonna go down here maybe about 12 o'clock one night.
Look, land for sale.
You don't wanna join me? You could get a good video.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I love his mindset. Crazy stuff.
Come on, you're gonna say, fans, come and join me.
Yeah.
Spend a night.
Spend a night in it.
Cause Dee like cemetery.
In the cemetery.
So Dee, you got company.
I always go and just check them out because to me
we're gonna mix it with the deads.
Yeah.
Because they have the section where they had the white people them bury, you know.
Okay.
There's the white people alone, bury over there.
Oh.
And then they have the spot now. After, you know, people start to mix with the white and everything, then it's branch out. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, blacks and all different nations buried in there now. But big cemetery, man.
Alright.
Don't worry about it. If the duppy really jump up on you, ghosts them come up and wanna hurt you, they will hurt you.
Yeah.
Unless you have some ancestors to fight for you, because there's a lot of them over
I
there.
don't think they're ghosts. You think they're ghosts?
Yeah, they're ghosts here, man.
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
Alright.
Nothing like ghosts.
Yeah, well, that's what they say. I don't know.
Kino, what about you?
I never seen
Now,
one.
listen.
I can't imagine how.
Listen, see, in Jamaica, that's a strong belief.
Strong belief?
Yeah.
If you believe it, then you're gonna see it.
But listen,
Me, I don't believe it.
so when I was younger, Lambert, them talk about so much dopey stories.
Scary.
You know, it make you get scared.
Yeah.
You know, it's when time you get grown up now in life, you realize, but this not real, because I never really remember, well, them say I see one when I was younger. But I can't see none now when I'm older. You know, and I walk through all the darkest place and everything, and I still not see any.
Right?
You know, but and everybody believe in that.
I believe they exist.
But them say they're spirits. So, and
No, if you believe it, you're gonna see it for sure.
You see, that's why you see, you believe.
so that means it's an illusion, because your mind create it then.
Yeah.
So your mind create something that look like a ghost, look like a person. You know? Because even sometimes when you're in a room and you're asleep and the light them lock off.
Yeah.
And you look and you see something kind of shape out. And you see something kind of shape out, you Lambert? You're like, oh, what kind of shadow this? But your mind start to create it, you know?
Yeah.
So more your mind start to create it, you think, oh shit, this is a ghost. Like, oh, it's a ghost. So this is the shop here.
It's a one shop.
Sharon Bar and Grocery. Yeah.
It's a good thing. It's a sad thing that you're feeling good because we just walk, go all the way down.
Only if me have something on the stomach,
Yeah.
then I could have just walk.
Eat meat, you don't eat meat.
The music.
I think once a year they rent this spot and they keep like convention, you know?
Yeah.
Like a church service.
There's lots of land here for sale.
Yeah, the whole of the same.
Oh, actually it's a 7th day. Wow, maybe then I'll come here on Saturday. I love it
Hey.
outdoor.
See, more
Yeah,
for
come here in the
sale.
night too, because they have service in the night over here.
More land for sale.
The whole of that is a sale.
Where is it myself?
Yeah. Oh, everything go all the way back.
Them selling.
Up on the hillside of your 14 acres.
Oh,
So you know, we're gonna take it like it's a close now. House in Trust might come in and buy it out.
housing trust though.
Cut it up and
I'll come get those contacts, then
Boy, it's gonna take me a whole heap of
land
years.
for sale prices in
Yeah.
Jamaica.
It's gonna take me a whole heap of years to save and buy one. But me go and save from now.
This is somebody's house?
It's like a church again.
Oh, it's a church.
Pure church.
no more church in Jamaica more than any.
Don't it?
And a few worldly and bad mind.
Yeah, Jamaica have the most church,
Jamaica has
but the
most-
violence
Turn up.
turn up. So me not, Jamaica
Churches,
the most church, yeah. And but yet, you know, I go and call it a church, I turn them on them in a gunman. We have so much church.
So them going to church, born in a church, grew up in a church, and then they still
I'm gonna open my church also and preach land for sale.
It's pure land for sale, man. What go on?
We got two friends here. Yes. One is from Africa.
Hello, morning.
One is from the city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also from Africa. Yeah, my four parents. So my four parents from Africa, but I'm born in Jamaica. So it works. So you have nothing for me for breakfast?
I can find a chicken dinner.
No chicken.
No,
No.
just send the chicken.
Yeah, no fry plant, nothing at
Oh
all.
no, I'm so sorry.
Oh Lord.
Let's go buy the grocery, then go cook.
Yes.
I'll cook for you, let's go.
Yes. The Kenyan food. The Kenyan food, you know?
Yeah.
Real African, you know, they talk about born in Africa.
So Miss Bev,
Yes.
yeah, you have land for sale?
No, it's my sister's son, but maybe he gone already, you know.
Done already?
Yeah, cause lots of people can take down that number.
Vegan crime.
Right beside Sharpton.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We like few more one piece of land around here, but I don't know how long it will take me to buy one.
Okay.
But I'll go and put them $100 there.
Yes.
Fully buy.
You better tell him say you better start putting 1,000. Don't be afraid to tell him you better start putting 1,000.
Yeah. But I will try and put on something.
Yes.
So if not in the future, I will get something, right?
Of course.
Of course, I'm going to put on $100 there. I like land,
You have to start somewhere, you know?
because land is even a small piece. I could have a box piece of land.
Yes.
Me work with it.
Yes.
Put up on box stuff.
So you want a lot.
I could have a lot, a land, a house, a car.
You don't want 40 acres, you want a lot.
On a lot. Okay, so either a piece of lot, you know?
Alright, Miss Big, we are walk.
Yes, my dear.
Alright, nice meeting you, yeah?
Good.
Dimunga.
Alright, here's another Lincoln.
Oh, Lincoln now.
Lincoln Square. And if you turn that way on the left now, you go to Fairfield.
Oh, we're coming. Oh, Fairfield itself,
Fairfield.
not the mountain.
Fairfield Mountain, Fairfield. Yes, there man. Go.
Oh, so you're saying you can get the tire fix?
Yeah, you tire.
Alright.
See sign.
Yeah.
See sign.
Tire. Why? Our business is around here, so even though the place are here so quiet and it seems.
You had them time, you know, because morning, mid early in the morning and late in the evening.
Okay.
People going to Mandeville now. This is the main square where they have the taxi them come stop.
Alright, yes, sir.
You're right here, sir, you know? You want them like those taxis now, they're going up in the hill.
Oh.
Let me show you. Alright, you see sign now? Or you should come here and show you?
Yeah, top Lincoln.
Top Lincoln. The next one?
MT
Mount Prospect.
Yeah.
When you go Mount Prospect, you find another one, go Huntley.
Okay.
Sharmton. And you just keep on going up in
Up
the top.
and up.
Up
So
and
I
up.
hope they say some more cola.
Yeah, man, up there's some more cola.
Oh, yeah.
But when you go to see, you get a good view, you know.
Yeah.
You see everything.
Avocado there. Yeah. June plum. Yes, small one. Come here, sweet though.
Yeah.
It's avocado. Yeah, put it there.
These ones right?
Yeah.
No, there are others here. Are they right? No.
Hold on. I want right here, you have here.
Cut me so well.
Kino.
Aye.
Yes, of yourself, brother.
Every time, man.
Yeah,
Every
man, I
time.
put out the effort, man.
Yeah. Cool, no, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mara, yeah, man. Big up Mara, your mommy, and your brother, your daddy. Big party next month, man.
Yeah, you going?
No,
You miss it.
can't make it this time, you know.
Yeah. Sure, now where do you come from too?
Yeah, man, up in the hills, man. Me know Rasta, you know. I watch ya, me see place, you know.
Oh,
Right, a Rasta this so.
yeah,
You know.
yeah.
me watching every day, man. And me wake. You see, like how me get the angel, me don't leave out of the house, you know.
I just watch it.
Yeah, me just watch it, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Follow on, man. Big up on yourself.
Cool, man. Respect, man. I don't know the spring will say where I go.
Spice Grove.
I said name Spice Grove.
You know.
Lambert, I will spring name Spice Grove.
I don't know
said to myself,
anywhere.
Yeah, Spice Grove.
Yeah, I said to myself, say Rasta should take you there.
So you're going, I'm going to do lounge there now.
Yeah, man. You have to bring her down at the spring, man.
No,
She like the water. You know?
So much.
Yeah.
I watched you yesterday. Hey.
Yeah.
Thank
this
you.
morning, that's why I know you.
Yeah.
That is
Thanks
it, that
for
is
coming.
it.
It means a lot.
Ah, nice meeting you, man.
I'm glad you didn't miss me by a minute.
That's almost missed by a minute.
Yeah, Mara, and the star. Yeah, star boy, that man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the love and support. It means the world to us. Without you guys,
man.
we can't do it. We can't do it. So it means a lot. It's not just what words can put in, but it means a lot.
Yeah,
So-
you know what? For me come to Jamaica, I always wish you could come so close when I say in Mandeville there. Say I can't believe I just leave Mandeville.
Yeah.
Yeah, just leave Mandeville, man. Yeah, man.
We have to stop by
so
and see you.
Yeah.
me know
Thank
say
you, but I'm still around.
you're there, Rasta place, that's
Till
what
Yeah.
I have to see.
Monday or Tuesday, Kino?
Yeah, but Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So she would definitely be
What you
around.
yesterday
Yeah, man.
doing the planting and the...
Me even
and
said
the
to my wife, say if me sure, say my wife, say that bring you a pumpkin or some sweet potato or something like that. 'Cause I have a farm, you know.
Oh, you have a farm?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
then I can get your contact. Maybe I also want to do a farm vlog.
Yeah. Yeah. Many farmers up
Where's
there.
your farm?
Many farmers up
We
there.
have,
Let me take the contact.
Mandeville will reap sweet potato.
Oh, my
Yeah.
Oh, then I can
yeah.
come over
Yeah.
for the reaping.
Yeah.
That would be nice.
That would be nice because I want to really
Take you up
visit
in the
us.
hills.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Up in the hills, is it there?
Yeah, man. The second tallest mountain, you know, Dan Figaro. Rasta know that too.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Medstone. Yeah.
I'm supposed to reach out there today, you know, because Nicky up on the hill there,
Yeah.
she have something there today. So
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We'll show you welcome.
Yeah, man.
Let me
Yeah, man.
call.
She have come up here, man. Because we reap some sweet potato and she said she wanted to do a, you know? Yeah.
No wrong, man.
So it will be so nice on Monday from
Oh, yes.
to work in the farm.
Yes.
Reaping sweet potatoes.
Yes, man.
And boiling some.
Can't get some to come cook and roast and, you know? Yeah, man.
Pudding also.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Ever eat pudding?
What potato?
Potato pudding.
Not yet. Because how we do it in Kenya is just boil. Put them in a pot, cover them with banana leaves and leave them to boil. Or you roast them.
We grate it, put it in a grater,
Okay, that would be nice for me
put it
to
in
try.
coconut.
Oh,
and
then
all
we can do
those
that
things,
on
you know?
Monday.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you have a content for Monday then, definitely.
Yeah.
So on
Definitely.
Monday maybe you can get me here. Yeah, I already been here. Oh, it's in the farm.
Yeah, man. Nice meeting you guys, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, life in
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Una, man.
It's the best.
It's the best. I'm
Una, man,
sure
big
when
up.
you
Women.
come up there, you're gonna get more
nice meeting you.
subscribers. I'm
Definitely.
sure.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. So we're going up in the hill. So hopefully
Monday.
Monday, dog.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yes, man. See you on Monday then. We're gonna do that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah. Yes,
Nice
you
to
know.
Alright then, big up, big
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Mommy.
And wash.
She gonna wash. She gonna wash in the spring. Yeah, so these are she gonna wash in the spring today. Country life, you know. Is that spring water? This right? What is it?
Turn on the pipe and they close it, you take the water and let me bring it up and show you. And I go down the shop for chill for a minute.
Oh, we shop. Long as well.
See the water? How it is?
Cool. She gonna wash. Then you gonna wash. Oh, you have a farm over there, so
Yeah, greenhouse.
she's gonna wash.
Come, let me show you where the shower section there.
Yeah. So we're gonna check out. So we're literally down in the how you calling us now, Lambert? Eh? Spice Grove.
Yeah.
So we're literally down in Spice Grove where the spring is. At least I should want to wash at spring. So there's the down there preparing to wash at the spring. Yeah. So guys, I wasn't feeling too well for the last couple of days, you know, but today is the best I'm feeling so far. As you can hear in the voice here, me. The voice is not too 100.
What did you lock off this spring?
So spring lock off. Then put the pipe there.
You could never do that to this spring. We'd have to go down and ask them what the hell is going on. Are we just spread out? You do it like that.
It was right here?
No, the path was down here. Let's see if we have it on the top.
So walking up the hill, as you can see, we're covered by trees, the pipeline. So I think there's a pipeline, like them pipe all the water now.
You know what? I don't think so in the greenhouse and take away all the water we used to come down.
Yeah. Oh, see another pipeline over there, so there.
Pipeline, hear the pump?
Mm-hmm. So guys, I guess them pipe all the water up to the farm.
Oh,
Can I hear water run?
Give a new road, man. Come on. They put a new road here. Gotta come down here with me.
Oh, that's where it is.
There's some good firewood right here.
For the experimental wood?
Spring. See spring. You can take a shower right there.
Okay.
You never lock it out at all. I'm shocked.
Oh,
yeah,
boy.
we're down in Spice Grove today. I haven't been down here for a while. That they change all the tracks to the way we all recommended the
Slippery. Wow, guys. I just slipped all the way down. So this is the spring.
A lot of people, or younger people, don't even know about this place. They only hear about it. We got a couple rivers, couple springs in Manchester. This is the
Hey. So yo, I just slipped all the way from there. I almost pulled my grind. So my grind feet pull. Wow. So literally at the spring. So this is where you shower. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, so fishes. We got some fishes there, some ticky fishes, some baby fishes. So in Spice Grove, you can see all the baby fishes right there. And you can see in spring water, natural spring water running from here. Oh. So you can come here and shower. So I guess the one where these are here. Yeah, so I guess you can shower here, water, run all the way down through those bushes. All the way down through the bushes. So you have to watch your walk because I'm coming down that and I was literally slide all the way down, but kind of hold my balance. So I'm going to do a split instead of drop. So here. Where the spring go all the way back. This is the bush life, you know, so we're in the bush life. We live in the bush life. So you have to know how you step in the bush life. You know bush life already. So in Spice Grove, you know, in man, oops, ouch. Courage. Courage just deal with my case, people. You see? So when town man come and country happen, so courage just deal with my case. I just slip down the rock. What else next? I hope nothing else happens. So as I can see, it's all nature. All nature. So the water channel all the way go back that way. Guys, so you can see all natural spring water right here. Natural spring water. So up here so you don't have to pay no water bill, nothing at all. No water bill. You're good, you know, so you can literally go and live your life getting free spring, natural spring water. As you can see, oh, this bush in here is lovely, you know. Up here is cool. Normally my GoPro would have overeat already. It's still running strong, so that's the difference with Kingston. Aye, why this can't believe the courage did my case a while ago, people. The courage, you know, I wasn't looking for the courage. I wasn't looking for the courage.
take care of it like they used to no more. But first time, it used to be nice and clean back here at our time. Women, young boys, young girls used to come here and they want to have a little fun. You know, driving far. Come here, have a little shower.
So,
Night time, daytime, all different times.
slippery. So this is where I slip. Come down the hill. As I say, town man, we don't understand the walk them sometimes, so you have to know you are stepping in a country. See, water is so slippery. And for balance the thing, the courage of my foot has scratched me. So I can see most people pipe the water to them homes where they live in, as they can hear a pump all the way somewhere down there. So most people just pipe the water, get some free water, so they don't have to pay no water bill. All natural water. Right now, right Lambert. So no water bill have to pay around here.
No, they don't pay water bill here. And they get a nice fresh water without no chlorine inside of it. You know? I don't know if they treat the tank down there. I don't know if they treat it, but this water we're running, they ain't get no treatment. You get the pure water right here.
Pure natural water.
They used to have, they have a road, they have a track inside here.
Yeah.
This can take you all the way back up in the hills. Straight hills until you
all the way up back that side.
way up. You know, we used to run it as little young boys. Yeah, come down here with mango season. It's not mango season now, because if it was mango season, all those trees have.
Got a big mango tree or so.
Yeah, big mango tree. And this beer man. And
another one here.
And this here the local mango either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, round is so cool.
So what's up?
With nothing of the pan for pick.
No, yeah, food time is done.
So what's up trees are empty, guys, though. Nothing
This
here.
is the one where they say you can boil it
and drink it.
And it's good for
cancer.
memory.
Yeah. And it's good for cancer.
Cancer. Yeah, but they say with young kids when they going to school, should boil some of this and give them.
Yeah.
Remember things, you know?
Yes, man. So guys, so tell me how much you love the country life, you know, this country content in the country style. You know, it's not so much as Kingston, you know, here's all wilderness, all nature. The place is cool. All I want is a blanket and I go and sleep while the down there washing.
And you need some what they call it, stay off the mosquito insect repellent.
Yeah, mosquito repellent.
Because of the vegetation here, it's nice cool, you know, the mosquitoes around here. But you can look over there and you see how the water let your whole place free.
Some farming are going over there, so but we can't reach a farmer. How we can reach over there, so?
You can't reach it because you can start up on the top with that.
Up there, so? And come on. Fine, away. So these washing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Another lady. Here goes the African lady.
Yeah. The Mwango.
Mango. Yeah. And what comes to the Spice Grove?
Oh.
The donkey comes to the Spice Grove. And washing with her hand. A lot of Jamaican women would never do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a job for you.
Guys, I'm from Kenya, that is Africa, and I'm here in Jamaica, living the countryside life that I love.
That is it.
Clean up on top here.
Yeah, Kino life in Jamaica, you know, big up on yourself. I remember, don't forget to check out Lambert. If you haven't subscribed or you're watching, you know, so subscribe. So our aim is for Lambert to reach his first 1,000 subscriber. So please go and subscribe. The link will be in the description. You know, Lambert is a great man. He help us out around, him house us, you know, so we can actually show some gratitude and help him channel grow, because they can also get cooking, you know, all them type of stuff. He do tour guide, Airbnb, so he's a great man, right D?
Yes.
So tell me what you learn about Lambert since you know him.
Do I say it all?
Yeah.
Do I say it all?
Yes. Chef.
Yeah.
He's a very funny person.
Yeah. He makes you laugh, right?
A lot. And so kind, and a great chef.
Great chef.
And of course, I'll never miss to say this, Rastas are the best. So clean. Clean at heart and clean outside as well.
Yeah.
Both ways.
I remember she don't eat lobster, you know, but she finally taste Lambert Lobster.
For the first time.
I know you want lobster.
I know she want lobster. She couldn't believe it. You know, she said she don't eat nothing from the shell. Nothing. And the first time now they realize how great Lambert is. You know,
Alright.
chef. So
I'm gonna take a walk. You know it's safe right here. You don't have nothing to worry about.
no man.
I'm gonna take a walk to the shop right here.
Mm-hmm.
You go ahead and do your thing. You're gonna go and take a shower. You after you finish
You sure where the shower is? Yeah.
the bath section is. He's gonna take you over there, and I'm gonna go back to the shop and talk to those guys for a while. Come back and I'm gonna take you out there,
Okay.
and you can make some
So
videos.
you never thought I could do this?
I never thought you can do it. It's just nice to see you doing it, you know.
Yes, I just need a Rasta man. And that
you will
is
get one.
it.
Don't worry, we're gonna make sure you get a Rasta man before you leave here. All right?
Definitely.
All right.
All right, Lambert.
Back in a few.
Yeah. How far the shop there? Down there, so?
Just right in the corner, right from here to the Rasta man.
Okay. So, strolling through. Yes, so we're here in Spice Grove, and I think over here we got the farm. So the farm over here, what are these? Pop chow? What is this? Pop chow? No, it's not pop chow. Is it pop chow? So here we have the farming going on here. I'm not sure what is this. Look like pop choy or lettuce. Not sure. I'm gonna find out. So you have the irrigation system here, but over here I'm not sure what is it. Yeah. Let's head for you. Are you the farmer, man? Your business? We have right there, so. There. Oh, lettuce. Lettuce. Cause you know me is a YouTuber and them thing then. You know, so the other day my eye to we just do some farming too on a program. And a man called me and asked me if you know anybody who have goods I sell. But while I'm here, I'm from Kingston, but I'm a YouTuber.
If you want sweet pepper, lettuce, you can link up my birthday now.
Oh. You have to contact the guy and make him know, but as like you're a businessman, right?
No, my birthday now, businessman.
Okay. So, man, so that is a lettuce. This is the lettuce farm over here. So, you got the lettuce. You have the irrigation system that is in. So these are our lettuce all the way. So keep it healthy, so natural lettuce farm. That is so the style is very good. Very good style. So we're gonna check out about D to see how far the washing reach. Cause she's not washing too much clothes, so it shouldn't take her too long. B, you're almost finished. Last round. Oh. It wasn't much you're washing. You say you wasn't washing a lot, that's why. Look at the natural spring water, guys, running all the way here. All natural spring water. Natural spring water. Yeah, so literally I'm sitting down underneath the tree right now because I was sick, you know. I'm not fully 100% yet, you know, so come here when I walk too much I just want to sit down, you know, probably feel like I want to sleep while these down there washing. So I'm sitting down under, I don't know what tree is this, you know, because I told man I don't really know much trees. So I don't know what type of tree is this I'm sitting down under, but I'm just cooling out, you know. the flow tried to take me over. You know, so I've been drinking a lot of this and a lot of that, you know. I'm in country, so while you're in country, I just drink a lot of this and a lot of that. You know, so I feel a little bit better from yesterday. Yeah, I feel a much bit better, but still can feel a bit weakness. You know. Yes, you can feel like a bit weakness when you walk up and down too much. So these down there washing. So I just walk 2 minutes, 3 minutes and come back, and I feel like resting already. So I hate being sick. Yeah, I hate being sick, man, because when you're sick, it's that feelings that you get, you know, that feelings. But what I'm saying, I feel much better than before. You know, feel way much better than before, as I can hear my voice. It's not too, I'm just kind of droopy, like it's weak. So it's just one of those days, you know. The journey have to continue. The journey have to continue. So while these down there washing, real village girl. Real village. The village lady down there washing at the spring. You finish?
Yay.
So okay, so you finish, guys. So
I just wanna rinse
you're gonna rinse?
one more time.
Alright, so I guess okay, so she's gonna rinse one more time. You're fabuloso. Yeah, so she's gonna rinse one more time, you know. Feel like I wanna sleep. I need to get some rest. That's what I need, some rest. You cannot fight it when you're sick. You know, when you're sick you can feel it. So yeah, our prayer all is well, get well soon. You know, I'll be up and running again very soon. Soon and very soon I'll be up and running. Okay. Well. You know who is this? Let me see the face. Great Lambert from Jamaica Good Life Days. From Jamaica Good Life Days. You know, when you see me cook them steamed fish there and the lobster, you know, and Lambert also have a YouTube channel. Where YouTube channel name, Lambert?
Only Lambert's Place.
Only Lambert Place.
Only Lambert's Place.
So I could tell them what Lambert do, because Lambert him do Airbnb as well too. Yep. Coming being well taken care of. As I say, when I go see where I like the place here, when I go see it on my channel, I go also see it on these channel, you know, because these will accommodate us now, you know, it's gonna be hosting us, so you know, say the blessings have to share same way, you know. Because Lambert is a great man. So tell them, Lambert.
Yeah, so I have an Airbnb, I'm a tour guide too. You can just make your call me up. I make you a package, you come down, I will tour you around Jamaica, cook for you, make sure your security is right, bring you back to the airport and send you back home as a happy person. Our people.
Yes.
Alright.
So that is it, and we have D.
Hey
Mwango.
guys, hope you're all doing good. So for those who are new here, my name is D. Mwango from Kenya, and welcome to Jamaica. I also create YouTube videos. Please come on my YouTube channel, support me as well. Road to 400k subscribers, and if you're watching from Team D, you know how we do it. Please subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Let's get him to 50k.
Yeah,
that's what we're chasing right now. And welcome to Mandeville. And actually, special shout out to Gino Bambino for the outfit of the day. You can go follow her on Instagram. You can get anything that you need when it comes to hoodies, bikinis, water bottles, vests, just name them, here in Jamaica. All right, so check her out as well.
Yeah, so that is it.
That is it.
So now we have We have D and we have Lambert, you know, who's gonna host us, you know.
And guys, look at what I'm wearing today. It's not just an outfit, but I can't believe it.
It's
like
cold.
I can't believe this is Jamaica. Oh my gosh. I feel so good because now I feel like honestly I'm at home because this is the weather at home every day. Like from 2, 3 you have to start putting on heavy jackets because it gets cold. So wow, I'm so happy and welcome to the cleanest town in Jamaica. But somebody else told me in the previous comment that it's no longer the cleanest. It was only the cleanest when I don't know who, a certain mayor was on in
that
charge.
was Cecil Charlton.
But still it's clean.
Yeah, it's clean compared to a lot of them.
Yeah,
you know?
compared to many others.
Yep.
Oh, so it was someone else before.
Yeah, you ever go up to the park?
Yeah, the Mandeville Park.
Yeah, that statue right there in the park.
Okay.
Represent that man.
Oh, so him passed away recently?
No, he passed away a good while now, but he was the mayor. But all of what you see here, what happening in Mandeville could never happen at the season. Just watch, you know, he was a very principled man and he's sturdy.
Okay.
So what happened is this, that the whole park used to have flowers. You never used to see all of this where you see nothing on the streets.
Not
Yes, man, that man keep that the Mandeville mwah.
Oh.
To me, I don't believe Mandeville
Look,
is.
meet another fans. Look. Big up.
That's my subscriber.
Yeah. Lambert, you have to get used to it walking with her, you know. Yeah, man, every minute you walk.
Somebody know her.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's good though, you
That's
know,
good,
all the way from Kenya, she's well known in Jamaica.
Right.
I never expect that, don't it, D? And you travel the
Even
globe.
before I came, like I still had that audience. I still knew it, you know.
Okay.
It existed. Jamaica is just my best favorite country. Yeah. And it's the only country that I'm gonna stay longer than all the countries I've ever been to.
Yeah. She go live here, Lambert.
Oh, that's nice.
So she want to go back to Kenya. And we want to go Africa and she want to stay here. I don't understand.
Imagine.
You want to stay here and we want to go Africa. Come on.
Yeah, that's how it is. You never know what you're missing until you get to know.
Everybody wanna go to Africa.
So we're going to Scotiabank.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah, man, so we in town again, Mandeville town, so we're going to go on the road, getting some stuff for tea, and then we're going to head back to Lambert Place and give you a review and what's going on around there. Nice A&B, come down.
My new home, Mandeville. I'll be showing you the house tour on my channel soon. So welcome to my city, welcome to my town in Jamaica.
Hey. Subscribe to me?
Yes.
Thank you.
And you want all our family and all of the village people.
Hey. Thank you so much for watching. Me give you bless up from now then.
Yeah, when I regular man them on the base man around taxes, me can't write this up.
Oh.
But the youth them know, me always enlighten them and give them some lyrics. He's not a musician, but he can write lyrics. Give them.
For your experience.
Yeah, and give them and then do it. We love the music, I like to born and grow.
Yeah.
So I just me can do it identical myself.
But you have the ears for it.
Yeah, man. Them in my 60s, man.
Yeah, so I only for experience that they can teach you use them same way.
Who like body sound them in Jamaica, I listen them.
Yeah. So you're way back from Swash now. So it's way back before Swash, right?
Way back before Swash, man.
Like, give me some names of them sound there.
Sound name Empire Fate.
Empire Fate.
All sound that me I tell about, you know. And Jack Scorpio. Kilimanjaro.
I know the name there, yeah.
Me I tell about some long time sound, man. I A whole for them, man.
Who walk out to the Bob Marley?
Line.
Who come to the Bob Marley music?
Eh?
Who walk out to the music? That's what the music I play. Bob Marley them own it. You could just walk that way then.
Yeah, man, let me not tell her a whole for sound, man.
So I want to caveman sound.
We don't have caveman sound.
So caveman sound are all that.
Caveman sound. And when caveman sound come again, caveman sound come up in a time when stirgraph there before it. Caveman sound come up in a 80s, I think, you know. I don't remember which year. Yeah. I don't remember which year in the 80s what it come up to, you know. Black Cat and all of them sound there. From a long time I come down the line.
Yeah.
The whole of the artists I tell about from Jacob Miller days, you know.
Jacob Miller days?
Yeah, from them days there. I tell about come down the line. The whole of the artists them, man, I can tell about. Like all man like Rankin Joe, Rankin Trevor. Them man they about long time. Joseph Whalen and Brigadier Jerry and you they were usual Ronnie Sound, Ilawi. I think long time I think there, man.
Yeah.
Look at Twitch and the whole of them youth them and they run up and down together, man.
Yeah.
And it said Charles Chaplin and I tell it to.
Yeah.
You see me,
So,
usual DJ pan a sound name. Tell her we sound boss Chaplin. People's Choice.
People's Choice.
Yeah, then time the Chaplin never have an in locks yet. The whole of we in a Spanish town. Yeah.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
Chaplin na me age, man. You can't tell her 20 times you see me, man.
Yeah.
Me I tell her that, man.
Yeah.
All of them, man.
So how long now you run taxi? Is that a very long time you've been doing it?
Yeah, man. I run taxi for in the early 90s.
Okay.
About 29 years now.
29. Okay. So you're really known in Spanish Town here then?
Spanish Town, born and grown, man. The heart of Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
Run through everything we have, man. Good, bad, and difference, man.
Okay. So with them, my apology, I never really get your name, so we can make the public them know your name.
Massive Bantan.
Alright, so what them call you in the streets?
Bantan.
Bantan. Like Buju Bantan or Buru Bantan. So more like Buru Bantan, right?
Them usually call me all of them name they down the line too. You see, before Buju then come.
Yeah.
From Buru days, for true. Yeah, man usually call me Buru Bantan them time there, you know.
Yeah. So
man usually call me Super Cat, you know.
Why make you look alike?
I'm gonna show you a picture. When me young, I usually go dance. And then call me Super Cat.
Hi.
I'll show you a picture.
Cause I know Super Cat used to wear some big pants and
look on this. This is one picture.
Yeah.
We look like Super Cat when he young, he all away.
Yeah. That's true.
Me I tell you. I can't gold that me have on whole pa gold around my neck and all. Me ears bore them same time.
Aye.
A 40 a day me ears bore, man.
Yeah, aye. So
yeah, man. I be a Clarks me wear, man. From your youth till now, man.
Still a beat Clarks.
Still a beat Clarks. Every shoes me wear a Clarks.
So much kids I get then? Can I come like a sharp then?
10, 4 boy and 6 girl.
You know, I meet a guy in a
44 to 20.
44. You're not going nothing because I meet a guy in a water
kind of cool long now, man. So we hold for AIDS.
Okay.
Fear and scare.
Let me tell you about a man we meet from Talk of the Town in a Cockburn Pen. The man have 31 kids, 15 baby mother.
A 5 baby mother, me have.
5.
Yeah.
So that means you have to catch him up then, man.
No, man, me don't want no more, man. You know, see your time set now, brother.
That's true.
Hold for disease and sit now, you have to afraid of your life, brother.
Of course.
Yeah, if you have bat, you have to bat and cub up.
Yeah, you have to be careful.
Yeah, man.
So we can tell me about, because Ronnie said more look like the get up part, right?
Yeah, really, get her, you know. So
Ronnie, so what's Ronnie? Ronnie said aggressive, violence.
Nah, man, you're good, man. One other running place, you know.
Okay, so Spanish Town is not what they think it is.
They think it is. Spanish Town a good place. Right now, I be a good fire burn right now.
Right, I know.
Right.
So I'm free for those who are going anywhere at all.
No man now post, man. Yeah, me tell you what, run a place, brother. Who and other brother, no man can violate things, brother.
True, one another, and that's it. Peace and love we are doing.
Yeah, man. And on the next side now, to see we are, same thing I go on the next side.
Okay,
on the clan
both
side,
sides.
the man organized.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that? Carry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.